good morning. Welcome to my channel. For this video, we will be multiplying monomials. Let's go directly with number 1. Ang pagbasa ani, the quantity of x plus 6 times the quantity of x plus 2. Pwede nato siya i-vertical way sa pag-solve. Ilaray sa nato, x plus 6 and then x plus 2. Mag-multiply ta, mag-una ta sa dria. Dria ta mag-una sa left. X times x, you have x squared. Pagkahuman ana, dria na po ta. X times 6, mura lang itapad ha. X times 6 equals 6x. Positive 6x. Humana naman ta dria sa first term. Second term na po ta. 2 times x, dria ka. 2 times x, you have 2x. And then, kanina po, 2 times 6, you have positive 12. Let's add it all. The answer is, bring down ang 12, apila si plus, and then bring down ang x, puros positive, diretsyon add, 6 plus 2, you have 8, bring down ang plus, and then bring down si x squared. So the answer is x squared plus 8x plus 12. Or on the other hand, there's another way on how to multiply binomials. Like this, the quantity of x plus 6 times the quantity of x plus 2. Same gihapon, mo na ginatawag nga FOIL method. FOIL. When you say f, first to first step. First to first, x times x, you have x squared. And then, anak niya, sunod o na pod, outer to outer, x times 2, the answer is 2x. Pag human, I stands for inner, sulod times sulod, 6 times x equals 6x. Pag human, L stands for last terms, kani. Sa kani nga quantity, ang last term is kani. I-times siya sa kani nga quantity, ang last term is kani. So 6 times 2, you have 12. And then ibaba nato, i-plus tab nato, i-arrange nato daan. Mag-una ta ni x squared, kaya siya may pinakadako nga power among ani, o x squared. Ay, x squared. And then 6x and 2x, like terms, diretso tag-add, 6 plus 2, you have 8x. Ayobya it plus 12. And look at the answer, it's just the same. Okay, in number 2, the quantity of 3x minus y times the quantity of 3x minus y. Ang atong buhaton is magamit atong FOIL method in which mag-start ani 3x times 3x. Pwede na po ang answer, ibutang mo diri or pwede na po ilaray na lang siya daan diri 3x times 3x, you have 9. X, isa lang ka x, and then 1 plus 1, you have 2. Right after ana is kani. Negative y times negative y. Wala rin ako nag-follow atong FOIL method ha. Mas ganahan ang buko nga sa babaw tanan. Unya, later, ubos na po tanan. Okay, negative y times negative y, negative and negative, same sign, the answer is positive. Isa lang na y ibutang, and then add the exponents, 1 plus 1, you have 2. After ana is kanina po, inner to inner, negative, i-times sa positive, the answer is negative. Nana, ni 1 diha ha, 1 times 3, you have 3. Or pwede na po i-copy na si 3. And then, kana si xy, itapad na si xy, xy. Okay, right after ana is kanina pong last to last term. Yan. 3x times negative y. Positive ni, 8 times a negative, the answer is negative and next sign man. And then copy ra si 3, pwede ra po 3 times negative 1, the answer is negative 3. Ayaw biya si xy, ikopya na si xy. So yun, combine like terms ta, equals, na-arrange na ba? Okay. Kaning duha ang atong i-combine, kay kaning duha ang ginatawag na like terms. Look, xy, so combine ta ana. Unahon nato isulat, 9x squared ipailit nato ni kay x man atong giuna, so x pa atong ipasunod kani. Combine na nato, puros negative, mag-add ta ha, puros negative, copy lang ang common sign which is negative, and then add the coefficients. 3 plus 3, you have 6, kopya si xy, kopya xy, ayaw biyain, plus y squared. So this is the answer. 9x squared minus 6xy plus y squared. Ilaray nato ni siya vertically. Tanaw nato kung sino lang ba silang answer. Okay, 3x minus y. 3x minus y times ta. Dali ata, 3x times 3x. 9x, duhay ba yan ka x? 1 plus 1, you have 2. After ana is kanina po, kani. 3x times negative y, positive na, times sa negative, the answer is negative 3. Kay 3 times 1, you have 3. Kopya na lang na si x, y. After ana kanina pong last term, negative y, i-times kang 3x. Negative na, i-times sa positive, the answer is negative 3. Kopya ha, itapat, x, y. And then last to last term na ta, negative y times negative y, puros negative, mag-times ta, same sign, the answer is positive, duha na ka y, isa halang pagsulat, and then 1 plus 1, you have 2, and then add na to in. Bring down, y squared, pagkahuman, bring down ng xy, and then negatives ang coefficient 3a, negative po, negative, negative, copy the common sign which is negative, 3 plus 3, you have 6, and then bring it down, 9x squared. And let's see if parehas pa silang answer. 9x squared to dria, negative xy, negative 6xy, dito po, y squared, so it's just the same. Okay, let's have number 3. Diri ata ha. Diri ata sa subtrahen. First term atong gamiton. Unya times diri na pod. Diri ata. Sulod lang ka. Sulod lang. A squared times 3a squared. Nanay 1 diha. 1 times 3, you have 3. Mahog lang nga copy ra pud si 3. Unya duha ka a, copy lang, isa lang ka a ang sulata, and then add the exponents. We have 4. After diri na pud ta. Move on na pud ta diri a. You have positive ni, o i-times sa positive, the answer is positive. Dara kanang i-underline na nako. And then copy lang si 2. Naam na siya 1 diha. 1 times 2, you have 2. Duha ni ka A, isa lang ang isulat, and then 2 plus 1, you have 3. Na ay B, dili siya biyaan. Yan. Erase na to. That means, dili na ta. Okay, dili ta ha. Negative A squared times negative B squared. Mahubra na siya nga itapad ha. Positive ni, i-times sa negative. Negative ang answer. And then tapad. A squared, B squared. Next, ana is kanina po. Last term. Last na lang yun ni. B squared times 3a squared, dara. Mahubra nang ipangtapad na silang duha. B squared times 3a squared. Asa na nato? Itapad a squared, dara. Dara na to siya itupong. Kay a squared, b squared. Kani first term taan. B squared times 3a squared. The answer is positive 3. Ay, tupong. Positive 3a squared b squared. Pero gitapad rin siya. After ana, sa first term, di ana pa sa second term. B squared times 2ab. Copy lang si 2. Plus 2. Yan. Plus 2. Kay nanay siya 1, you have 1 times 2, you have 2. And then, unahang copy si A. Paghuman, B, duha ka buong B, isahan ang pagsulat, and then 2 plus 1, you have 3. And then, kanina po, last term na ta, negative, i-times sa positive, the answer is negative. Sunod lang. Duha ka B, isahan lang pagsulat, B, 2 plus 2, you have 4. And then, let's add it all. Negative, bring down ang b to the 4th. Pag human, bring down huwag na siya kauban. Bring down ang plus. Bring down ang a squared b squared, and then tanawa ang coefficients. Negative sa taas, and then positive sa baba, dili parehas ang sign i-minus. Ang 3, kuag 1, you have 2. Which is bigger? 3 or 1? Si 3 ang mas dako. The sign of 3 is positive. Positive po si 2. Pagkahuman, positive. And then bring it down. 2a cubed b. Bring it down. 3a to the 4th. So, mangita tag like times 3a. A to the 4th. Wala may a to the 4th na rin. Punya a cubed. Wala nila yung a cubed. A squared. Wala na po yung a squared. Okay. So, this is now the answer. Wala tayong makombine kaya wala may like terms among the terms.